In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break a page in Google Docs in just 5 minutes. Whether you're writing an essay, report, or manuscript, knowing how to effectively manage page breaks is essential to organizing your document properly. To start, open up your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type in Google Docs and hit Enter. The first result should be the Google Docs link. Clicking on this will take you straight to the Google Docs homepage, where you can access all your existing documents or create new ones. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so at this point. Simply enter your email and password, and you'll gain access to your Google Drive, where Google Docs lives. Once you're logged in, select the document you want to edit. Now, this next part is crucial. Navigate to the specific spot in your document where you want the new page to begin. You'll want to position your cursor exactly at that point because that's where the document will insert a page break. With your cursor in the right spot, turn your attention to the top menu. Up there, you'll see several options like File, Edit, View, and so on. You're going to click on Insert. This expands into a drop-down menu, giving you a list of items you can insert into your document, from images and charts to tables and drawings. What we're interested in here is the option labeled Break. To find it, simply hover your mouse over the Break option in that drop-down menu. This reveals two more choices: Page Break and Section Break. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the Page Break option. Once you click on Page Break, you'll instantly see your document split at the cursor's position, moving everything following your cursor to a new page. If done correctly, you'll initially notice no extra spaces, lines, or any confusing gaps. Just a clean page break right where you wanted it. And that's all there is to it. You've officially mastered inserting a page break in Google Docs. This technique is excellent for separating sections, adding additional space for images, or maintaining a proper document layout. As you get used to this, you'll find it makes managing your document's flow much more efficient. It might seem like a simple feature, but understanding how to use it effectively can save you a lot of formatting headaches down the line. Keep practicing to get more comfortable with this and other useful Google Docs features. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.